Hello guys, how you all doing? Today I'm cooking chicken stew. The chicken is already fried. This is my spices to use. This is my cooked tomatoes, puree tomatoes. This is my onions, garlic, ginger, which I'm gonna dip inside the oil to fry. It's just chicken stew, not assorted meat. So I'm frying the onions now. As soon as it go brown, then I will tip in my tomatoes. Always make sure whatever you fry, make sure you fry your onions to go a little bit brown. That will give you that, you will see the onions, flavor in your oil, in your whatever you are cooking. So it's gone a bit brown now, so I'm gonna tip in the tomatoes. Fresh blend tomatoes with garlic, ginger, onions, chili powder, and puree tomatoes all bang in there. All bang inside. So I'm gonna cover it in a bit. Cover it a bit and let it cook and simmer together. Then if I will now put my spices, these are my spices. These are my spices, all kinds of spices I want. You can use any spices of your choice. It doesn't really mean you can copy other people's spices. Just use any spices of any flavor you prefer. So I put nutmeg, cinnamon, curry powder, break all the chicken now, and all the stuff in here, and rosemary, dry thyme, so it's just really your choice though, what you prefer, so I'm gonna put in some bay leaf in here, put in the curry, all the spices I want. You see the way it's jumping? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna shut it in a minute, close it. What I do normally when I want to cook stew, I blend my tomatoes and boil it, and allow the water to go dry a little bit. Otherwise, it will keep your feet standing here, making sure you want it to be well cooked. So it's cooking now. Look at what the mess he has done on the cover, on the lid. Look at the mess. Oh dear Lord. Look, see? So I'm gonna put in the chicken now. Maybe that will make him to calm down. But when I fry the chicken, I put this kitchen towel to soak in the oil as I fry. That's why you are seeing this paper in there. I'm gonna take that out of the way. chicken stew. You can eat this stew with anything, with bread, with boiled yam, with rice, with eba and okra, eba and ewedu, fufu and ewedu, anything of your choice, you know. There's turmeric in here, there's Ghana pepper powder, there's paprika, all banging in here. This is like a dry stew. I'm not gonna put water. Just taking out the bits from the tomatoes container. Put on the lights of the oven. Look at the lights of the oven. This is just pure chicken, no mix meat, just pure chicken. Look. So when you see the oil settling up now, you will see the stew is, the tomato